Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'm here to give you an update on Binance Coin and the reasoning why I chose it as one of my altcoins of the day on this morning's stream. Let's get straight into it. I'm not going to mess around here. Straight into it, starting off here on the 4-hourly chart here. As you can see, we have got a parallel channel coming through. We're above all major moving averages. We're looking for a juicy, big breakout pattern coming through here. We have broken out. Now what we are doing, we're waiting for a lovely retest. The measure move for this position coming through here is going to be along the lines of this, and obviously depending on where we come back and have that retest is going to depend on our entry point, and we are going to be looking at around a 13% gain for that trade. And obviously we are going to be staggering our take profits all the way up just in case we do see some sort of reversal coming through there and then we do come back down. We've already taken a massive lump of profit continuously as the price moves up. And then what we're going to do with our stop loss, we're going to move it back to our entry point, right? So if we do actually get stopped out, we've already hit a couple of take profits. And that way, we always have a winning trade. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. But yeah, touching on just the RSI quickly coming through here on the 4-hourly, as you can see, we are pretty much very overly extended coming through here, looking for some sort of reversal in the price here. That's going to be the ideal scenario here. If that does happen, granted, if it happens before we get to this 80 point, I think, on the RSI, 80.10 point on the RSI there. If it happens before we get to that zone, then yes, there is going to be a bearish divergence playing out here, and that's obviously going to have an effect on the price, and that could mean this. What we are seeing now, this breakout in terms of the price right now could be a bit of a trap. And that's why we always wait for that retest, just so we don't blindly jump in long and get trapped out when the price is obviously going up quite rapidly there. So that's obviously going to be a point to be watching there on the RSI. I'm on the 4-hourly there for Binance Coin. As you can see here, we are overbought there, as I just said there. If we jump through to some other time frames, as you can see, we jump down to the hourly time frame. It's the same scenario. Let me get rid of the MACD for a second. It's the same scenario coming through here. Very, very overbought here. And same scenario on the 12-hourly, same scenario on the daily as well. So that we are in need of some sort of reversal. And let's just touch on the daily very quickly. As you can see, obviously we did obviously see this insane crypto crash to the downside, right? I left us sat at around that $212. We've got a higher low after that and a higher low after that. And then this insane uptrend just plummeting through all of these previous lower highs, not even giving a toss here. They're smashing through, absolutely smashing it. Amazing, amazing stuff seeing these high prices for BNB. Resting on the cusp here, as you can see, we do have a pretty strong consolidation point here. If we can hold this, we can maybe potentially find the momentum for another move up, and this is where this 13.57% is going to really come into fruition there if we can actually hold this zone. So I would expect to come down, have a retest of that channel, and then progress further from there, maybe even consolidate a bit before that, just to make all the RSIs a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more chilled, and then we can really talk about another huge breakout for BNB, which we are looking to profit from. Now let's just jumping onto a bit more detail here. I want to jump to Binance and Binance to BNB chart here. As you can see here, we do have a symmetrical triangle pattern playing out as well. And as you can see, we're looking for that huge breakout. Obviously, this is the daily chart, guys. This stuff doesn't happen overnight. You can see this huge breakout pattern coming through here, currently sat on the most recent, most dominant lower high there. So if we do get rejected from the zone, that's absolutely fine, as long as we can get a retest on this chart and get a nice profitable trade in there, going for that 13.57%. So definitely a point to look out for there. And that's just the one breakout example I wanted to show you. Another one here on BNB to Ethereum. There we are looking at the same sort of falling wedge pattern breaking out to the top side, and we're not even skimming the surface for a target price point of this previous lower high there. So ideally, we want to come back a bit, retrace, let the RSIs chill the F out, and then we can be talking about progression at its finest, profiting from it continuously. But referencing all the charts right now, this breakout is looking pretty goddamn reliable. That's going to be your BNB update for the day, guys. Obviously, nothing I say is financial advice. Do your own research. Do not blindly enter these positions. Next on my altcoin of the day list, I do have XMR Monero and then also AVAX as well. So stay tuned for those altcoin videos of the day, guys. But yeah, for now, it is going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.